Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneur Government of India gi makhada lemna facility kaya ama piri. Mela, workshop, training outside state, Delhi, Bombay, Maharashtra na chingba state singda lemna training chatpagi khudong chaba piri. Maru oina scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and women entrepreneurs singda Jago India, Jago Manipur haibani. Wake up India, wake up Manipur. Hauro, hauro haina laudi. Kana na tari, kana amata tadi. Maramdi aikhoina awareness people watbani. 2024 dagina 2028 fawbagi manungda. Malemgi oina India na food processing skill da makok thongnabagi dama scheme kaya ama thadari. Maru oina Northeast states sing the agriculture, fishing and forest products sing na hena pami. Self-employed worker union food processing training with theory and practical training program ama sinjari training gir padak khuding mak free oizagani. High river training asigi general guidelines singdi. Number 1, how to start a business. Business ama karam na khundaba hogani. Number 2, government schemes singdagi karam na khudong chaba logani. Number 3, Manipur gi wangmada free da lemna skill development training karam na yaugani. Amadi skill development gi mela workshop na chingbada karam na saruk yagani. Number 4, bank singdagi karam na khudong chaba logani haiba sini. Training asigi motto di Iray Pak Iray Sa Singbu Semitlon Chaukat Hanba Haibasi. Hainabalay, knowledge is the power. Tungdaningam hauroi, mayam pumnawag amukta yahausi. Iray Pak asibukan bada. Adom git haudang sauna yauni. Haibasi mayam na khaminasi. Miyam gi mating nizari. Iray Pak ki Semilon bu Chaukat halasi.